Doing a quick video. I'm at Mcnears Beach. I have 2 rods out, and I kind of have a halibut rig on each one. So this is my setup. It's a weight 2 ounce. I'm hooking it both to this swivel, and then I cut a anchovy and wrapped it in string. So let's throw this out. I will turn on the camera if I get a bite or something, and I'll do it through my GoPro Hero 8.
Tighten them up a little bit.
No way.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, wait, could you get the cast net? Could you get my net right there? Oh, dude, right when I told you.
Don't lose it.
Oh, I'm trying not to. Oh, dude, this is a nice size.
It's a nice. Yeah, keep the tension on. Keep the tension on.
I'm good.
Try to lift him.
Oh, Jose! Wait, let go of my tip. Let go of the tip of the rod.
Yeah.
Alright, you're good. Yeah.
Oh, shit!
Oh!
Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. The net. Hold on.
There's a hole in the net.
Yeah, there's a hole in the net. Hold on. Get back in. How are you to lift him up? Hold on. Not right now, because it has a net. Oh, shit.
Walk towards me. And then I think
You want to try to lift them up at the same time? Oh, God.
Yeah.
We don't want to lose them.
We got him.
Oh, no.
Oh. Holy crap! Oh. Yeah!
Good job, bro.
We got one! Oh. Oh my gosh. No freaking way. I've been waiting 2 months for you.
How big is it?
I don't know. I need a.
It's probably 20.
I need a ruler.
I got one.
Hey, Jose.
Good job, bro.
You wanna? I got some. I'll figure this out.
Yeah.
That's a keeper. It's a 24.
24.
24 inch.
24.
Yeah. You wanna hold him?
You want me to take a picture? You want to take a picture?
Oh, I'd love
That's
it.
not 24 inches. No way. What measures again? Right? 24. No. Yeah, I go get.
Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish.
You want some? You want some anchovies, bro?
Well, I got the.
You got a bite?
Yeah, I got a bite the other day on. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh!
Beautiful fish.
Jack. Fell through the net a couple times.
Yeah. Oh, let's get that. Oh,
It's not even a keeper.
let me see. Can we put it down?
17 and a half. 17 and a half.
No, it's gotta be more than that. Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's keeper.
It's a keeper. Yeah.
No, it's 19 and a quarter.
Yeah.
That's keeper.
Oh my gosh! I got you.
Right on.
Yeah. Right on the money.
Oh my gosh! Check it out. This is a 20-incher male striper, and that guy over there, Jose. I've been talking to him for a bit. He helped me pull it up with this net. Wow, what a beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. So happy. So happy. Oh my gosh. been a good day. It's been a good day. Woo-wee! All right, howdy, howdy, howdy. I finished fishing. Fished for like from 9 to like 3, or from 8:30 to 3. Probably, I don't know how much that is. 5 hours? That's like 7 hours. I was actually on a fish for another 2-3 hours, but I ran out of magic string, and it's just a string that keeps the anchovies from breaking in the water, and then it entices fish to go after them more because they're not broken and they're still on your hook. That being said, I think I found the key to fishing in this spot at Mcnears Beach. Also, I saw a lot of birds eating herring, so I'm wondering if I can sabiki herring and then catch striped bass there. That would be badass. So looking into that, and yeah, on to the next video.